Everyone, today our topic is reported speech. So first we need to understand what is a narration. Act of reporting the words of speaker. Narration is the act of reporting the words of a speaker. Now see, there are two ways of reporting the words of speaker. Direct speech and indirect speech. So we need to understand the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech. In direct speech, the actual words of speaker are quoted as it is. The exact words of speaker are enclosed in inverted comma. Example, Yogesh said, I am studying. Now, I am studying, this is the exact word of Yogesh. So, this is direct speech. Because I told you that in direct speech, the actual words of speaker are quoted as it is and the words of the speaker are enclosed within inverted comma, as you can see in the example. Now here we need to understand few things. Okay, reporting verb. Said is the reporting verb and I am studying, this is the reported speech. Next, indirect speech. The examples of another example of direct speech is Lucy said, I am wearing red skirt. Now again in this sentence also, said is the reporting verb. I am wearing red skirt. This is reported speech. Indirect speech. In indirect speech, the actual words of the speaker are transformed. Transformed means changed. The actual words of the speaker are changed. The actual words of the speaker are not quoted. The word of the speaker is transformed. Said or written in a simple language. Okay. Now, if you convert the sentence into indirect speech, the example which I gave you just now, Yogesh said, I am studying. This was direct speech. Now, if you want to convert it into indirect speech, Yogesh said that he was studying. Lucy said that she was wearing white skirt. So, what are the changes that you can identify in direct speech and indirect speech? So, the first change that you will identify is removal of inverted comma. You can see that in indirect speech, we are not using the inverted comma. So, the first change is removal of inverted comma. The next change that you can see is the change of tense. Yes, in indirect speech you see this is in past continuous tense, and in direct speech the example which I gave you, see it was in present continuous tense. Yogesh said, I am studying, present continuous tense. But when you are changing it to indirect speech, Yogesh said that he was studying. So it is past continuous tense. So the first change that you noticed, it was removal of inverted comma, and the second change that you noticed is change of tense in indirect speech. The third change is that in indirect speech we are using the conjunction that. So there are three changes. First is removal of inverted comma, second one is change of tense, and the third one is use of the conjunction that. Next, the important thing that you need to understand, that what is the reporting verb. I told you said is the reporting verb. I am studying is the reported speech. Now this reporting verb, it changes according to the meaning of the sentence. So while reporting someone's word, the reporting verb should express the feeling of the speaker. Instead of said, told or asked, verbs like advised, admitted, added, argued, denied, suggested, explained, observed, reminded, promised, you can use these reporting verbs also. and the reporting verb will express the feeling of the speaker. So depending upon the meaning of the sentence, you can change the reporting verb. One example, for example, mother said, you can take the car. This is direct speech. Mother said, you can take the car. And if I want to use another reporting verb and I want to change it into indirect speech, I can say, mother suggested that I could take the car. Mother suggested that I could take the car. So reporting verb, instead of using said, told or asked, verbs like advised, admitted, remarked, replied, promised, objected, observed, explained, we can use these type of reporting verb depending upon the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so in this video this is the only introduction of direct and indirect speech. In the next video we will learn the steps how to convert direct speech to indirect speech. Thanks for watching.